Hello everyone, welcome back to Abena'sKitchen. In this video I'll be showing you how to make corned beef shito. You heard me right, corned beef shito, only corned beef, no fish powder or shrimp powder. I've got about 150 grams of ginger, a whole bulb of garlic, 5 Scotch Bonnet Peppers. I've got 1 kilo of onions. That's about 10 medium-sized onions. I've got 1 teaspoon of cloves, 2 stock cubes, and of course we've got our corned beef. I'll be using 3 cans of corned beef. I've got about 2 liters of sunflower oil. You can use any type of cooking oil that you want. And I've got some rosemary. From experience, I've realized that corned beef shito doesn't last as much as the normal shito does. So to make it last longer, I'm going to toast the corned beef in a frying pan for some time to make it dry. I want the corned beef to lose a lot of moisture before adding it to the shito. I recommend doing this on a very low heat. I'm going to add about 1.5 teaspoons of rosemary to it. I'm going to blend my onion, garlic, ginger and pepper at this time. I'm not going to be using any water to blend it, but instead I'll be using some of the oil. I'm blending the cloves as well. Don't forget we've got our corned beef on fire. Stir it as much as you can. I'm going to preheat my oil. I like using my hand blender, especially when I'm making shito, because you don't need a lot of liquid when you are blending. You can literally blend this even without any liquid and you're good to go. Our oil is nice and hot, so we are going to pour in our blended mixture. As you can see, the corned beef has started losing its moisture. I make corned beef shito when I run out of fish powder and shrimp powder from Ghana. It depends on where you live. I live in a city where there's only one Ghanaian shop and they don't sell the fish and the shrimp powder from Ghana. Going to fry this for about 30 minutes and then we'll go to the next step. We are almost getting there. It takes a lot of patience to do this. Shito requires a lot of stirring because it can burn in no time. So after 30 minutes, I'm going to add my tomato paste. I'll add about 100 grams of tomato paste, not too much. That's half of the tube. I added some bay leaves. This is completely optional. It takes the shito to another level because of the flavor and the aroma. Don't forget we still got our corned beef on fire. This is what we are looking for. Dry, but not too dry. As you can see, the onion, ginger, garlic has started separating. On a normal note, we would have darkened it a little bit before adding our dried ingredients. But because we don't have any dried ingredients, we are going to add the corned beef at this point for them to fry together. Apart from this being an alternative way to make shito, it's also very inexpensive. The corned beef cost me £1.60 each, and all the other ingredients are fresh ingredients that you could get from your local supermarkets. This shito also yields quite a lot, about 5 of the 500 milliliters containers. Going to add my stock cube and other seasonings at this point. I added 1 teaspoon of cumin. Initially, I added just 1 stock cube, but it wasn't enough, so I added another one to make it 2. I wish you could smell the aroma of this shito. It is so nice. Kindly support my channel by commenting, liking and sharing this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Stay tuned for more other videos. Make sure you keep an eye on your shito or you burn it. You're almost getting there. I like to fry my shito very well so it stays longer. Our shito is now done. It took me 2.5 hours from start to finish. One last tip, I make sure my shito is completely cooled down before I transfer them into my jars. So leave your shito uncovered for at least, let's say, 24 hours till the next day before transferring them into your containers. This is because if you cover it or if you transfer the shito when it's still hot, it's going to create moisture, and moisture is not a good thing for shito. Your shito will go bad in no time. See you all on my next video. Bye.